Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is about painting the two-tone camouflage onto the gun tractors and the towed guns and the gun that's deployed. So the gun that's in the towed position and the deployed gun are both towed guns. I'm going to use a number 0 brush for this, and for the camouflage I'll be using two colours, Russian uniform, and I'll use German grey. So that will give us a 3-tone camouflage pattern, which will be the brown, the green and the grey. And the reason I'm doing that is because I went online, had a look for Syrian camouflage patterns. Someone asked me about Syrian camouflage, so I found this, and this is the colours they use: a sand, a grey and a green. So I've picked 3 colours to use, and we've got the sand as the base coat we did the other day, which is the khaki sand. This one's had the green on it, so we can show you put the black on it, and this is how I do it. So I'll just move this one down slightly, and we'll start with that Russian uniform green. So I just put a little bit in the palette, and then I just start picking an area of the vehicle and just start painting that colour on, the green. And once I've got that green across the gun tractor like that, only needs a few lines. I'll start on the guns. It's not bad to paint a couple of road wheels either. And then the guns, because they're so small, a lot of the painting I do for the guns is just a bit random. So let's pick some areas on the gun shield, along the barrel, across the trails and the spades. So you want enough room to be able to keep enough room to show all 3 colours. So there's a bit of room there for that grey, and then the gun that's in the deployed position, in action position. And I'm going to make an effort to try and find one of these guns and actually make a little video looking at it, but I don't know if there's any here in Australia. But I'll definitely try and find one and have a look at it. So once I've done that initial, that's the initial colour. Or the initial colour for the stripes, the camouflage stripes. Our base colour was that khaki. Give the brush a quick rinse, and then I change to that German grey. Yeah, dropped it, good one. I'll change the German grey. And after all this is dried, we will put a dry brush over the top to settle down any of those colours. So just try and add this colour in next to that. Green. Can't speak today. So this is starting to give that gun that nice bit of colour. Yeah, a bit of camouflage colour on it. And remember, this is part of that unsupported building where normally I'd base them and paint them and stuff, but this is that series of videos I'm doing where I'm not basing the models on something to support them. So that's the technique I use for painting. Obviously I haven't done that back one, but I'll do that off camera so the videos aren't too long. And that's the Syrian camouflage, and that's inspired by a viewer who wanted to see a camouflage pattern done in Syrian colours. And you can see up the top there, we've got the ones done just in Russian uniform sprayed, but they were built off camera before the channel started, and they'll eventually join this build. But that's the pattern here that we're looking at, and that's what we've just done onto the guns, and that's from the Yom Kippur War of 1973. So thanks for watching.